So this time we're going to overview the icons plugin. So first thing you want to do is make sure it's installed. And next we're going to pop over to the icons plugin, and you'll see that all of these icons are what are displayed in our demo page. So we're going to replace this language select drop down arrow with this caret arrow that we found online. So if we look at the drop down arrow, we'll see that it maps over to the icon single contrast theme, meaning in light mode it's gray, dark mode it's white, and then when it's hovered it's gray. So we apply it there, and we can see that it maps that palette color 414141 over. So what we're going to do now is pull this icon we found on the internet, which has not been adapted to our theme, and we're going to rename it caret circle, and we can change that black to be our regular gray 414141. And now we can say we want the hovered variant, and we can apply the icon single contrast theme. Now we can add this icon to main or front page. We're going to add it to front page. And now let's code it up. So let's find our, let's see. So it's not going to be there initially because we need to actually build our whip state. So we're going to do Floro module current, which will build the Floro whip. And now when we go back to VS Code, we should see front page caret circle, and we can just import that. And let's comment out the drop down icon, and let's name this drop down icon just to kind of make this demo simple. So we've basically just swapped the icon out. And now if we pop over to our page, you can see we switched the icon, but when we hover it, nothing happens. So we need to inform the icon of the hovered state. Oops. So I think we need to write is hovered, and then we can type in hovered, and otherwise you can pass in defined or default for the non-variant state. So now this should work. So if we go back over to our demo and hover it, we should see that it turns into that light blue. And yeah, so to kind of demonstrate some of the color consistency things that Floro does, I want to take an icon and replace our main duck icon. So we're going to use this Apple SVG that I found, and we're going to remap it to our color palette so that it almost fits in. So we'll switch these greens to our teals. And one kind of cool thing about mapping to our palette is if we update our palette, it actually reflects across all of our icons and themes. So this is sort of the power of centralizing your static asset primitives. Is if you need to do a retheming of your app, it's not too hard. And so let's name it Apple, and we don't need to theme it, I don't think. Let's do Floro module current so we have it, and this time we're going to go to our front page component. So yeah, rather than replacing the Floro icon, let's make an @const Apple icon, and we'll say equals use icon. And well, there it is, but it's in the wrong group, so I don't want it to be in front page. I think I'd rather move it to main. So we can go in and edit it, and we can switch it to main, and I'll click update icon, and now it should give us an error because it doesn't exist in front page anymore. Oops, that's the wrong icon. Yep, okay, so no longer front page. So let's try switching it to main and see if that resolves it, and it does. Cool, so now we have this Apple icon, and let's just switch out the Floro icon for the Apple icon, and save, and there we go. And let's see how it is in dark mode. All right, well, maybe we can get the gray to contrast. It probably won't look good, but let's apply a theme to it. So let's apply the one where we have the icon single contrast, just as we did before, and now it has a white background if that's something you wanted. Anyways, that's it.